Hello and welcome to GhostNet. So I hope you can hear me, and this is version 4 of GhostNet. It's been a while, and I think I did a video for version 1 and something on 2. I don't know if I did in 3, but this one is version 4 and it has many features. So welcome to GhostNet. You just go to https ghost-net.org. So it requires your GitHub. So be sure you have your GitHub again, just like our previous video, so that you can enter the game. Now, new features here are, of course, I hope you can read and explore what's going on. If you look at it, it's like a desktop. So there is this how to play. So siguro naman malata mo nung click mo. So just click how to play. Welcome to GhostNet. GhostNet is a web browser hacking simulation. Technically, it will help you be in the shoes of a hacker, whether ethical or not, white or black hat. So you can drag this window to the side. Step 1, open a terminal. Click a terminal icon on the left dock. So siguro naman din mabasa mo, there's terminal. Meron yung terminal doon. You just click terminal. Okay? So that's first step, I think. Okay ba tayo? So pause this video and do what I just did, and I hope you learn a few tricks. You're done? Okay. So if you already the terminal, you notice also I placed a short tutorial path here, but you might want to read it or you just use this how to play. Next, scan and hack nodes. So you can type here map, and then you can see the nodes around the world. So ito, meron ng IP, and let's try to see if we can hack one. So click a node and attack it, or type scan to list hackable targets, and then hack space IP. So the minute you see something like this, hack space, then less than, then IP, then greater than, the IP there means it's the IP address. So for example, we type hack, and let's try this Alibaba Cloud 101 period 134.36.128. And if you notice your exploit is too weak, one way to know about that is you can type status. So this is my username, and this is also my current balance, level 1, and I did a short hack a while ago, so that's why I have already a 10 XP points. And if you further type agent, it will also give you what exploit you currently have, what software security you have, and what hardware you have. So we cannot hack. We go back again to map, and this is quite difficult. Let's try this IP here. So you can also copy the IP by highlighting and then press Control copy, and let's see if it works. So hack, then Control V or paste, and then if you type again, it's too weak. But let's try to see if we can scan. So we're still at step 2. So scan, and then let's see if we can hack the .11. So ayan siya. So hack. Ayan. So you gained a plus 20 XP. Again, you can check it by typing status as well as agent. Ayan. So plus 10. So naging 20 na yung XP mo. Ayan. So scan and hack nodes, we're done with that. Earn BTC. So I think we did it already. Status. Then if you look at status, you have a balance of $754. Not bad. So congratulations. Let's try to see if we can deposit this one so that you can save. So if you type bank, there is a technical glitch. It's 1,101 I have in the bank. Let's try to see if we can go back to status and then try to type bank deposit. Let's deposit 500. And let's try to type bank. So we have 16. So kanina 101. Okay. So we're done with that. Next is build a botnet. So if you try to look a while ago, you want to know how many slaves you already have. So you just type slaves. And right now I have 2 slaves. Step 5 is to complete missions. So this is very crucial. Type missions. So itong game kasi maraming type. Technically, being a hacker, you have to type. So, pero may iba kasi software na. They love it. So, but for me, I still prefer the classical typing stuff. So, if you sabi dito, complete the objectives to earn bonus XP and Bitcoin rewards. Start with rookie. So, that's rookie R-01. So, hanapin mo lang si R-01. Hello. Nasaan si rookie? Bakit nawala? OMG. Parang may nangyari sa bugs na naman. Ako. Ayun, meron sila. Pero dito si R4. R4 is here. Bakit wala si R1? Ay! Okay. Pero sa boot kasi ito eh, no? Ba't naging C siya? System boot. Sabi niya, claim 01 boot. Okay, so let's do that. Let's see if status muna tayo. Oh, you can have another window. Para ito yung status mo. Yan. Diyan, status. And then dito, sabihin natin, claim C01 underscore boot. So, may $100 ka na. Tingnan natin kung ayan, 366 na. So, may pera na tayo. We need to reach at least 1,000 or 2,000 yata to buy our firewall. Kasi wala tayong firewall eh. You know. Oops, ayan. Kasi ginawa ko na kanina, I gave myself 100,000 then I bought a firewall. So, ano pa bang pwede i-claim natin dito? Wala na akong ginawa na Nmap. So, nagloko na naman yung system. So, anyway, this is beta version 4. I hope it won't take a year before we can launch the real, wala ng beta. No? Ito meron pang mga bugs talaga. So, meron pa tayong 10 map. Sa map kasi nag-map tayo. Okay, so claim C10 underscore map. Ayan. So, meron tayong 5,000. Natin kung tumalabas si 5,000. Ayun. Boom. So, but we need to buy. Okay na yung brute force natin. Wait. Agent tayo. So, agent. Meron tayong brute force but version 1 lang talaga. We can increase naman this one. By the way, if you ask, paano ba to? Sana makahanap ng ibang command. So, just type help. And I think most of the commands are here. Sa file system, let me just give a short run. Yung file system yan, totoo yan. So, talagang you can do this codes, these commands pala. The syntax in Linux. Yan, totoo lahat yan. Sa scripts, hindi ko alam kung meron bang command ng scripts. I think this is a little bit fictitious. Ito, totoo tong Nmap na yan. Yan. Yung hack, hindi yung totoo. So, may halo siya ng, there's a mixture of real command line, Linux command lines, and meron namang fantasy. Because the objective is for anyone to play this game to be able to fit and to able to experience the shoes of a hacker that's doing typing skills. Okay, saan na ba tayo? Sa steps. Supposedly kasi pag natapos natin yun, si 01, kung wala si 01, I think I finished na kaya ata. Yeah. So, deposit any amount, the bank vault, I think we did this already. Tapos na bakit hindi pa siya nag-claim din? Missions. Si Nmat1. Sige, bigyan na lang natin to si Queen. You have to be very fast kasi may iba, alam nila yung IP address mo. So, for example, if you type top, those other players know your IP address. So, they might attack you right away. So, the thing is, you need to hack to increase your money so that you can buy your defense. No? And then, of course, you also need your money to increase your attack so that you can attack also them. Let's see if we can attack them. Sino ba pinakamababa dito? And si Kleiser. Try natin. 0 pa XP niya. Hindi pa siya nag-try yata. So, hack. 10.52.112.134. Ayun. Na-success. So, nagkaroon ako ng 340 experience. Nako si Kleiser. Sorry pre. Pang ano lang to. Pang laro lang to. Para ma-feel lang kung bakit ganito yung mga hackers. Bakit parang may adrenaline rush. And I built this game together with Cloud AI. So, special mention si Cloud AI. By Anthropic. Vibe coding, yeah. But, an advantage with vibe coding that we did is because I can read already some of the codes. So, hindi talaga beginner mode na vibe coding sa akin. Okay, so saan na ba tayo? Let's try to check if slave na ba natin siya, be. Loka, the slave na ako. Let's try to see ko 24 hours kasi we placed expired. Ayun, yeah. Yes. Gumana yung 24 hours. So we placed a limit na 24 hours lang naman siya magiging slave. So supposedly meron akong bigay sa inyo skill. Phantom shell. Tingnan natin kung gagana. Aha, gumana. Supposedly, if I do Phantom Shell, this is equivalent to RCE, Remote Code Execution. So, if I do Phantom Shell, and then IP ni Chris, 10.52.12.1. Supposedly, I can enter remote access. Kaya lang, ayan, kailangan mo kumpletuhin ang Ghost Protocol. So, dito naman sa ating games, meron tayo RPG, role-playing game. Tingnan ko kung gagana siya. By the way, so, shoutout sa daughter ko. Ito yung artwork niya. This is her miniature na ginawa kong bakery na pwede puntahan ng mga... may ghost chip. Anyway, so later na natin explore yan. Pwede tanggalin mo na yan. So, I think we're done with some missions. So, I hope you'll find the game fun and you'll able to explore ways. So marami, you can strategize. Pero teka lang, kailangan ko muna double check sa gears ko kung firewall naman okay. I need to put honeypot. So honeypot, para pag na-attack ako ng kalaban, magma-minus sa kanila. So ito ba yan? Okay. So let's see. Ayan, medyo na yung music. Kasi may auto, ayan, sa baba. Merong music na nilagay natin para cool siya. Anyway. Meron pang isa, yung Quantum Exploit. So, if I secure status. Ayan. Block kasi 1 million yung Quantum. Meron ba tayong Quantum? Wala. So, hindi pa available yung Quantum natin. Yung Quantum Exploit is this one. Sa Counter-Strike. Kailangan ko ng Counter-Strike. Buy muna tayo. Sorry. Honeypot pala. Ito, honeypot. So, buy honeypot. I need 25,000. Sorry guys. I only have now 6,000. So, pero kailangan i-post natin kasi baka ma-steal sa atin ito. Because it's bold. So, that's $6,000. Okay. And my money right now, in case may magloko na mag-hack sa akin, 7,000 plus. So, ito ba? Missions, ito, yun yung ginawa natin kanina. player versus player attack, DDoS. Pero kasi si top, magkano bang money needs dito? 100 lang eh. Ito si Kira, try natin kung ma-steal natin. Try natin steal. Sila kabatan try ko. So steal IP. Username. So username, hindi IP. Tingnan lang natin. Steal requires 5. Level 5. Hindi pa ako level 5. Level 4 pa. So yun, yung quantum exploit naman is the one I've been skip. Yeah, Groover's algorithm. So I think we're done. Got it. Let's hack. I think we're done there. Tingnan natin kung meron bang naman si inbox. Yeah. Si inbox kasi tapos ko na si R01. So R01 is, I think this one. No, not that one. The other one. Yan. So, 01, most people will do. Many doesn't matter. Supposedly, you are playing a role-playing game. You're 17. And that's rare. Next mission is you need to scan. So, kung na-scan mo na yun, meron ka namang R2. So, R2 is sa nodes, bank schools. And then the question is, next mission. Reach now. What will you do with that mission? So, ano ba talaga? It's about time. It's about being evil. It's about being awake. While not asleep. So, medyo basahin talaga. Parang novel. Tapos, and you have to choose. Yeah. You have to make a choice. Either you're gonna be good or bad. So, in terms of good and bad, meron tayong role-playing games sa yan. So, white hat or black hat. That's another video for the role-playing games. Tatlo. Pero think apat na kasi the rookie role-play that you're 17 years old. So, I think yan muna for now. I think we're done. Ano ba? How to play. Yeah. I think we're done. So, it's been good. I hope you're gonna enjoy this version 4. Beta pa kasi meron pang mga bugs. I hope you'll give some feedback so that na-improve natin yung. Bye-bye!